Hello. The purpose of this video is to try to show some differences in flashlight beams when compared to one of the popular zooming head flashlights. And what I have here is a Cree XML T6 flashlight by Outlight. I believe this is the E6, and here it is right here. It's about 5 and some inches long, and it's one of the ones that has the zooming head on it, so you can zoom, close the beam in and out on it. So that's what I have here to compare with, and I also have a couple of other popular flashlights which are non-zooming heads to compare to. Okay, so what I have here down the street is a tree and a lamp post, and I will turn the Outlight on, and it is currently in its full zoom mode. If I close it, pull the head all the way forward down to its smallest point. So down the street here we have a tree and we have a lamp post, and I think you can see that right now. Here's part of the tree, and to the left of that is a lamp post. There's the lamp post, and you're looking at the beam of the Outlight as it shines on the tree down the street. And you can see just little bits of it. There's a tree that's much closer, but the other one is the one I'm focusing on, the one further down here. So here is the beam on the Outlight shining on the tree and the lamp post, and this is on high. It's at its full brightness, and the zoom head is pulled all the way forward. Okay, now you've seen that. So now let's look at another popular flashlight. This will be the Nightcore P16. Okay, hold on one second. Here it is here, the Nightcore P16, and it's about the same size as the Outlight. Okay, there's the Outlight on top, and there's the Nightcore on the bottom. They are basically the same size flashlight, okay? And now we will turn the Nightcore on in its full brightness, and there is what you see with the Nightcore. There's the entire tree, there's the lamp post, and most of the street. And again, this is in high mode, or turbo mode, I believe. Well, it's the high mode anyway. So that's the high mode on the Nightcore P16. You can obviously see the difference between that and the Outlight. Okay, and another flashlight I have. This is going to be the Through Night TN12. And again, it's about the same size flashlight. Sorry, I can't get the name up there, but this is the Through Night TN12, and you can see it's about the same size. I will turn it on, and it will also be in high beam mode. Okay, don't want to frighten anybody down the street there. So here it is. Here's the Through Night TN12, also in high beam mode. And here is how you see the tree and the lamp post with this flashlight. Okay, there is the TN12. I believe I have another flashlight with me here because I have a whole pocket full of them. And the one we are going to look at next, let's see, which would this be? This would be another Nightcore. This is the P12. Shine a light on that, please. There's the Nightcore P12. These are all flashlights that are about the same size. Again, there it is in comparison to size with the Outlight. So this is a Nightcore P12. So let's turn the P12 on in its top mode and have a look at the tree again. Let's see, let's make sure this is in top mode. Okay, it's in high mode now, or turbo. And again, here is the tree, and here is the lamp post. Tree and lamp post. Now you can see that each one of these flashlights is a heck of a lot better at illuminating this area than the Outlight is. And the Outlight does its illuminating in a very tiny square But even though these flashlights do not have a zooming head, they in effect don't need one, because you still get the distance and the brightness. In fact, you get, well, just as much, or in fact more brightness out of these than you do out of the Outlight. And of course, your overall beam is going to be more effective. And actually, last but not least, I actually have a very, very small flashlight here. This is much smaller than the others, and it's the one I've been using to illuminate the other lights with. And, whoops, I'm sorry, hold on. It's the one I've been illuminating the other lights with, and this is a Nitecore EA11. There it is right there, and it's a heck of a lot smaller than any of the other lights. It's about a quarter of the size of the other lights. But this one is now on the top brightness, and I can't see it nearly as well as the others. Okay, you can see that a little bit down there, but not much. Okay, but that is a very small light, but it does illuminate around 900 lumens. So that's your comparison between the Outlight flashlight and all these other flashlights at the same distance, and they are basically the same size lights. And I should note that the brightness levels on these lights are all at about 1000 lumens. The through night, I believe, is just a tad over 1000. The Nitecore, the P16 over here, which actually did about the best job. The P16, I believe, is around 900 lumens. Don't have the specs in front of me here, but anyway, that is the demonstration I was doing tonight regarding, or at least comparing, the beam of the Outlight versus the other flashlights at a fair distance. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Lights and Gear is the place to go for flashlights, batteries, and chargers, and we'll see you again soon.